Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to contact PhonePe customer care directly through their official website. If you ever face issues with payments, refunds, or account access, this guide will help you reach the right support team quickly and easily. Make sure to watch till the end and please subscribe for more useful tutorials, like this one. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. And it's best to keep your browser updated to the latest version for smooth performance. Next, go to the search bar and type PhonePe official website or simply PhonePe contact. From the search results, click on the official link, phonepe.com. Always double-check the website URL to make sure it's the official one to avoid fake or scam pages. Once you're on the PhonePe website, look for the 3 horizontal lines or menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the main menu. If you're not already logged in, sign into your PhonePe account so you can access all the customer support options from the menu. Select Contact Us. On some devices, you might need to scroll down to find this option. Tap it to go to the official contact page. Now you'll see different ways to get in touch with PhonePe's customer care team. This could include phone numbers, email support, or live chat options. Choose whichever method suits you best. If you decide to call, just copy the given customer care number from the page and dial it. Make sure you have your PhonePe account details ready, such as your registered phone number or email, so they can verify your account and assist you faster, and that's it. That's how you can easily contact PhonePe customer care through their official website. It's quick, safe, and ensures you get reliable help directly from the company. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like, share it with others who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on apps, payments, and online services. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.